Hello, I'm Fiona Davis and I'm the author of Shark Summer. I live on the east coast of the UK, and in the story the main character Joe moves from the east coast to go and live in Mexico, in Baja California Sur. And there he meets a whole host of characters, including a research scientist and a shark fisherman. He also learns how to surf. The waters around Mexico are warm, not like here, and there's lots of marine wildlife and lots of sharks like this guy on my screensaver. I hope you enjoy reading chapter 1 and finding out what Joe discovers about Mexico, about himself, about surfing, and most of all about sharks. And I believe you're going to be helping me write the next chapter, so I'll look forward to that. And don't forget to go to the forum with any comments and queries, and I look forward to seeing you there.